Dynamic linking in PHP. And so some of you guys might be wondering, what is this one this time around? Well, it's very simple. The concept of dynamic linking simply refers to breaking up our website development process into various sections, into various web pages, and then eventually bring them together, link them together to form the whole. So what we are actually saying here is, in PHP, eventually what you'll be doing is creating functions, creating web pages, dividing these functions within the web pages, and eventually you are linking them together. You are bringing them together, connecting the functions together, connecting these web pages together to actually make up our website. Remember, PHP is server-side programming. So most of what we do in PHP is what runs on the background of our website. So you have to learn to make use of all these pieces, bringing them together. And that is why in coming tutorials to follow, we'll talk about functions in depth. We'll also talk about objects. We're introducing you to the concept of object-oriented programming in PHP. And then we'll still talk about arrays. So that is that about dynamic linking in PHP. This is just to prepare your mind for the fun things, enjoyable things you can do in PHP. So far so good. You've been learning the skeletal structure of PHP, and you have to learn to make use of each of these things you have learned thus far up until this time. Now we want to talk about functions in depth. I'll be looking forward to seeing you joining me in the next video. See you there.